Clear, cool water running swift and deep over gravel suitable for spawning fish, wading shorebirds, thriving native plants. These are all signs that an island research project in the Snake River is having a positive impact. Idaho Power, working with river restoration experts from the Freshwater Trust and River Design Group, expanded Bayha Island's floodplain while creating a narrower, deeper channel between the island and the shore.
This island was elevated away from the water table. It didn't have very much surface interaction with the stream itself, and it didn't have an interactive floodplain that was able to interact with the organisms that live in stream and then have that special niche between the terrestrial environment and the river itself.
The concept is simple. Deeper, faster water collects less heat as it flows through the southern Idaho desert. It scours sediment from the river bottom, cleaning the gravel, which is good for fish and other creatures, and bad for unwanted moss.
Juvenile smallmouth bass are using a small side channel on the surface of the island where they can rear in safety from predators.
Bayha Island is about 2 miles downstream from Walters Ferry, between the towns of Marsing and Murphy. On the island, native trees and shrubs are beginning to dominate the floodplain.
It's really exciting to see that kind of establishment, because when you do restoration work like that, it doesn't always take in this way. Sometimes it takes a little longer.
It's not a quick fix, but the beginning of a long-term improvement to how the river works.
Bayha Island is the first of hopefully many projects of this kind, and what's neat about it is that while it may not have discreetly changed the thermal regime of the entire middle Snake River, it's made a big difference right here.
This project is part of a massive river restoration program being proposed by Idaho Power. It is part of the company's application for a new license to operate its dams in Hells Canyon, where a primary concern of regulators is the temperature of the water flowing out of Hells Canyon Dam.
We're going out of the box, we're building something new, but we're giving the environment a voice as a potential solution.
With videographer Joe Jaszewski, this is Brad Boland reporting for E! News.